You might be questioning what a yoga therapy session looks like, what can you expect coming to one, and let's be honest, what you're gonna get out of it. It's normal to think this way. The answer to these questions aren't necessarily simple. There's not a generic answer that I can give you because yoga therapy addresses the whole body. So physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and there's a whole aspect of these sessions that are about setting an agenda aside as a practitioner to make space for what presents itself. So while I do have clients that come to me strictly for physical rehabilitation reasons, whether it's modifications due to injuries or rehabilitating a part of the body due to an accident, these sessions, yes, I have a distinct plan in place on how I'm going to progress them towards their specific goals as it relates to their physical healing. With that being said, there might be a little bit of a structured homework for them as far as movement or pranayama or meditation, just to help target the whole body as we specifically work to rehabilitate the physical body. So that's the physical therapy part of a yoga therapy session. So let's set that just left to center. While I have clients like that, a majority of the people that turn to yoga therapy are people that are coming to lean into, to open up, to heal, to explore yoga as therapy for their mental body. Like they have stress or anxiety or depression. Then you have people that come due to more emotional therapy that are coming to the practice to tend to the state of their heart, whether that's grieving or they're in a stage of uncertainty or loss. Then there are the people that come for the spiritual aspect, that they feel like they're lacking a little bit of meaning or fulfillment in their life, and they're interested in turning deeper towards their own self in search of this ultimate fulfillment. So most clients don't necessarily fit into one box only, but come to the practice looking towards yoga as therapy to address all of these.